Okay guys, if you're trying to lose weight, then a food scale is a huge part of that. Food scale, which I've now had for about 3 years, so I feel really confident giving you a review on this, is about 6 by 9 this way. And one of my favorite features is that it's large enough that you can put a bowl or a plate on top of it and you can still see this. And this is an LCD screen and it has huge numbers, as you can see. So it's very easy to see, which I love, and it's blue in color. You have your on-off button, your tar button, and then the unit button. And this measures in ounces, kilograms, pounds, fluid ounces, and milliliters. If you don't know what the tar feature is, that's if you have, say you have like a bowl, and then you obviously don't want to include the weight of the bowl, so you press tar, and then that zeroes out the scale. So whatever you're putting in the bowl is the only thing that it's weighing. 2 AAA batteries, which you change back here, and they do send 2 batteries with the scale, which is nice. And then it has these little anti-skid things right here, so it's not moving around on the counter. It does have this, I don't use this personally, but it does have this little area right here, and so this is so you can hang it on the wall so you don't forget to use it, right? The minimum measurements are 0.1 ounces and 0.2 grams, and the maximum amount that it measures is like 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. So it has a really nice range, and this thing is super accurate. So I use this to measure out my food, and then I'll put it into an app. Right now I'm using Carb Manager, but there are all kinds. It does shut itself off after 2 minutes, which I love that because I actually have mine in a drawer, and then I just open the drawer, and I brought this out here to show you. So what I do is I will take this, and I actually use these for so many things, but they're just like these wax sheets, and I think they come, yeah, it's like 500 sheets to a box. And because I don't want to put my food directly on here because then I'm constantly having to clean that, what I do personally is literally take aren't these cute? Anyway, so I take these scissors and then I cut them, and I will put my food here, measure it, and then I'll just take this very same thing and stick it in the microwave. So if I'm doing like chicken or sweet potatoes or whatever, these are great because then it protects the scale, and there you go. Is made out of tempered glass. So it's just, I mean, it's safe. This thing is durable. Again, I've had it for 3 years. I absolutely love this, and I highly recommend this method too, because then you don't really also have to worry about the tar feature because you're just weighing right here on here. So let me just give you a quick example of how it works. Okay, so right now it's at 0. Let me scoot in so you can see. Just hit tar. Okay, so right now it's at 0. All right, so it's 4 ounces, 4.1 ounces. There you go. I mean, I love this scale, guys. I couldn't more highly recommend it. And the batteries last forever. I think I've changed the batteries in this like 1 time a year, and I for real use this like almost every single day. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.